Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got the spiciest chicken recipe ever. So here are the ingredients that we are using today. I got a couple of pieces of party wings. I got garlic powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes. The sauces I'm going to be using is a 2-time spicy sauce, tapatio, and Chinese chili garlic salt. Garlic paste. And we're going to use the air fryer. This is the air fryer that I have. All air fryers are made different, so I don't know what temperature you'll use yours on, but I got mine on 300. And this is the air fryer. It's a Fiberware. It was gifted to me from my best friend. It's not too big, not too small, but just right. So if you want to see how your girl create this recipe, then go ahead and stay tuned. So here is the chicken. So now we're going to go ahead and season the chicken. First, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the seasoning salt. Not too much salt. You could go ahead and use whatever seasoning you want to. This is what I prefer. Now I'm going to add the garlic powder, not garlic salt. Sprinkle that on there. Give it a little taste of that little garlic. And now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of cayenne pepper. And I purchase a lot of my seasonings from the Dollar Tree for $1. I get a lot of them. So yeah, next we're going to go ahead and use black pepper and sprinkle that on there. Like I said, all this is optional. You could go ahead and season the chicken to your liking, but this is what I like to use on my chicken. So some red pepper flakes. This is optional because I know it's already spicy. So I don't know if you want it even spicier, but I like mine real hot. And this recipe is the spiciest chicken recipe ever. So go ahead and add those red pepper flakes. So once the chicken is coated with your seasoning, your favorite seasoning, go ahead and add it to the air fryer and just place them in there equally, not too close together, just enough so they won't stick together. And this air fryer is pretty small, but it holds about 8 wings, but it's a decent size. So yes, I'm just placing them in the air fryer right now. Close it on up after I wash my hands real fast. So we're going to put the air fryer on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, the best part for the sauce, we're going to use Tapatio hot sauce, which I really love. I like how you can taste the chili in the Tapatio. And we got the 2-time spicy sauce that you can only purchase off of Amazon. This is extremely spicy. And we're going to use this chili garlic sauce that you could purchase at any of your local stores. So we're going to start off with the Tapatio. We're going to use about, I just eyeball it. It's up to you. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of Tapatio. I'm going to use probably like 2 to 3 tablespoons of the extremely hot 2-time spicy sauce. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of the chili garlic sauce. So you could go ahead and taste it. I think later on down the line I added a little more Tapatio because for some reason the spicy 2-time sauce kind of tastes cheesy to me. And I don't like that cheesy taste. I don't know. It's just something in it that I don't like when you first take that initial bite. So I like to cut it with the Tapatio. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and check on that chicken. So we're going to let that cook for a little bit longer. We don't want it too done, but we don't want it raw either. So we're going to saturate the chicken in the sauce. So this is how the chicken is looking this far. And we're going to go ahead and remove it out of the air fryer so we can coat it with our sauce. Okay, so now go ahead and grab your sauce, give it a little stir, and pour it on top of the chicken. And so after we pour it on top of the chicken, make sure you get the sauce all over the chicken, every little crick and cranny of this chicken. Stir it up, and then we're going to place it right back into the air fryer so it can get a little crispy, a little crunchy, and let the sauce go ahead and marinate into the chicken and cook it within the skin. Time to take the chicken out. So it's kind of toasty. It's marinated in that sauce. It's so good. Okay, so now we're about to coat it with another coating of sauce, but we're not going to put it back in the air fryer. We're just going to coat it with the sauce, and then that'll be it. So we'll go ahead and remove the chicken, place it back in the little container where we marinated the first time, and then we're going to get some more sauce. And we're going to do the exact thing that we did the last time, but we're just going to not put it back in the air fryer. So yeah, just pour the sauce on top of the chicken, and that is it, you guys. Easy, simple. You ain't got to turn no oven on. You ain't got to turn no skillet on. It's just real easy. So this is what I'm eating tonight. It's just me, and I'm going to eat all of them. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see some more recipes, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. Love you guys. Bye.